Okay, equipment sometimes is not everything. Most times it's not, and other times it is. It is in the sense that it can become the stepping stone that defines your creation from others, and at the same time, it's not, because it may also slow you down. Hear me out. Pulling out my camera sometimes to take a video like this takes me, let's say, 10 minutes. But whipping out my phone takes me less than 3 minutes. So which one do you think is going to encourage me to shoot more? I'd say my phone, right? Let me give you an example. We went for a broadcast of an event, which was a charity event. And I remember I came with the gimbal, vest, everything, and I'm shooting like a madman. And this other media team just pulled out their phone and their gimbal, and they just like this. Yes, their technique was not so great, but after like 20 minutes I was gassing. And I do recall that I was a little bit lazier than I would have been, and so I ended up relaxing more. Still ended up getting very, very good shots, of course. But I thought to myself at that moment, those guys are enjoying. And because of that, the next time we had a shoot, I won't lie to you, I literally just pull back. I'm like, no, I'm not going to be handling this. This is way back. Right now, mostly I just, even if I pull back, I know I have a lot of team members that are going to be able to continue, and we're going to get the job done. But back then, I just jackpot straight up. Next time they're calling and calling and calling, and I remember saying, how much are they even paying me, Seth? At the same time, I remember being so proud of the delivery, because I knew what I was doing, and the equipment really pushed out what I had envisioned. And I remember that I looked over at the other media team's job, and it was okay. Would it go out? Yes. Would it sell? Yes. But it wasn't as good as ours. Either way, I just wanted to share that, and I felt like it would be useful. So equipment is not always everything, but at the same time it can be. Most important thing is your creativity, and your creativity comes from here, not from your gear.